Welcome children to my class again. So before starting the class, I want to recall you what I have taught you in the previous class. That is about the alkanes, how to name the alkanes. So as I told to remember something, hope you by heart it, because without by hearting you cannot write the name. So you have to by heart the prefix, suffix, everything. So let's children, without wasting our time, today we will start the next part, that is the alkenes and about alkynes and about alkyl groups. Now let's start. Now children, you see that one. Next one is the alkenes. As I have told about the alkenes, E-N-E, you have to remember E-N-E means that time I told that at least one double bond. At least one double bond is present in between two carbon atoms. Maybe more than one is there, but in your course that is the one double bond is present in your carbon atoms. So first of all, let's study about the one double bond. So suppose it is the double bond is present between two carbon atoms. So you have to calculate, as I told, the number of bonds present around each carbon atom. Means here you calculate how many number of bonds are there? 2. Means another 2 you have to write. Here for this carbon atom also 2 bonds are there, another 2 you have to write, and you have to put H here. So what are you getting here? The 2C means it is the it. And how many H are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the C2H4. H double bond is present. So it becomes your ENE. So your compound becomes ethene. But here single carbon atom is not possible. So because in a single carbon atom no double bond can be arranged, because in case of alkenes or alkynes the double bond is present between the two carbon atoms only, not two hydrogen or carbon. That's why your alkene and alkyne always will start from two carbon atoms, means that will ethene or ethine I will tell. So here it will start from two carbon atom, that is the C2H4, that is the ethene. Like this I will take 3 carbon atoms, but as I told, one double bond is compulsory. Here you can put the single bond. Otherwise here you can put the double bond, here you can put the single bond. Wherever you can put, no problem is there. So now you calculate this one, 1, 2, then it is the 3, 4. Here it is for this carbon atom 1, 2, 3. So another single only. Here for this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this you have to arrange. But children, maybe you can ask the question, as I told, here also you can put the double bond, no problem is there. But how it has no problem, I will tell you later. So first of all, let's see. Whenever I will tell you the how to naming the organic compounds, that time I will tell that how will you name and what will be, how it is no problem and where is the problem, everything I will discuss later. Now see, here only you concentrate. So here what happened? By taking this, suppose this one. So you have to arrange H, 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 H. So how many C are there, children? It is the C3. H how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C3, H6. So what it will come? It is the prop. S3 carbon atoms is there, that is the prop. And as it is the double bond is present, it is called the propene. Like this we will tell about the butene. Now let's see. Now children, take in case of the butene. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is coming under the but. S double bond is present, it is the ENE. But anywhere you can put, but according to that what will be the name, I will tell you later. So first you concentrate on this structure, that is the first one. So how many you count this? This is the 2, 3, 4. This is the 2, 3, only 4. This is the 2, 3, 4. This is the 1, 2, 3. So you have to put the hydrogen atoms and you will get the butene. So everywhere, here also how many you are getting? C, 4. H how many? 1, 2. H, 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 H. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C4, H8. Now children, let's see what you got. Whenever you are taking C2, you got the H4. Whenever you are getting C3, you got the H6. Whenever you are getting C4, you are getting H8. So now let's see. Here also everywhere there is a difference between CH2 group. So in this series also, each of the compound differs from each other in CH2 group. And what is the general formula? You can find out that if Cn you are taking, H is the 2n. So if you will put that formula, the same thing you will get. So overall what we will recapitulate, then alkene is the IPSC name and general formula is CnH2n. So children, you have to remember in case of alkane, like this alkene also, here IPSC name is your alkene and general formula you have to remember CnH2n. Now children, the third part is the alkyne. So it is the YNE. You have to see. YNE means here triple bond is present. At least one triple bond. More than can be present. But in your course, that is the at least one triple bond can present. Now see, like this the previous condition, we will see about the first carbon atom only, because whatever the naming it will come for the other carbon atoms, I will tell you later. So first you will learn in the first carbon atom, suppose it is there. As I told, one carbon atom is not possible because you have to give the bonds. So here, how is it? Suppose you see, count that bonds. In case of this C, these are the 3, only you have to give 1. For C also, these are the 3, you have to give 1. So that is the H, that is the H. So what formula you are getting? C2H2. So how will you name it? HC2 is there, that is the eth, and according to your triple bond, it is the YNE, ethine. Now take that one, 3 carbon atoms. So as I told, at least 1, then or are the single. So count this one, 1, 2, 3, you have to give 1. For this carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, you have to give 1. For this carbon atoms, 1 is there, you have to give 3. So here you have to put 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1, 2, 3, 4. Here no need. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4. For this C is the, that is the H, H, H. So how many C here? You are getting C3. H is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the C3H4. So how to name the compound? That is the C3, means it will come the prop, and as per the triple bond, it is come the propyne. So again I will take the 4, that is the 1 is present, another one, you have to count, that is the 1 is there. For this C, 4 is already done. For this C, that is the 2 is done, again 2 is there. For this C, 3 is there. Now you have to put the H, how it will come then, that is the C4, count H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is the C4H6. C4 means it is the but, and triple bond means it is the YNE. So the naming is butane. Now again you observe these compounds. Again everywhere you will get the difference, that is the CH2. Everywhere. Means in this series of compound also, every compound is differ from each other by the group, that is the CH2 group. It will come also that the question will come bit question, that is the what is the difference between the two compounds in one series, that is the CH2 group. Now we will find the general formula, how we will get. Now see here, C2H2, C2H2, second one is C3H4, third one is C4H6. So it is for the general formula CnH2n minus 2. Now you will put here, see, Cn means C2, H2, how it will come? 2 into 2 minus 2, this 4 minus 2, you will get C2H2. Like this you put the value of N, according to that you will get the compounds. So children, you have to remember these things, that IPSC name is alkyne and its general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Now children, come to the homologous series. Homologous series means, as you have seen that everywhere I have explained you that as I have taken your alkane or alkene or your alkyne, every member of this group, alkene, every member of this group, it is differed by a group, that is the CH2. Means whatever the methane, ethane, propane, butane, they are differed by CH2. ethene, propene, butene, they are differ by CH2. Ethyne, propyne, butane, they are differ by CH2. Like this, if other functional groups are present also, everywhere there is a difference between two compounds of a series, that is the CH2. That is called your homologous series. Means what is this? This is a So children, this is a series of compounds each containing a characteristics functional group. Means other functional groups also I will tell, whatever I have written that I will write. So it is a compound. Everywhere one series of compounds are there, and everywhere a characteristics of functional group is present, and each element of this series means the specific series. Alkane means alkane, alkene means alkene, alkyne means alkyne, like this everywhere. All the compounds are differ by CH2 group. This series is known as the homologous series. So children, next is alkyl group. What is alkyl? Alkyl means whenever a hydrogen atom is replaced by another functional group from the alkane group only, from the ANE, single bond group only. Suppose you have taken CH4 and its one hydrogen atom is replaced by another functional group. That time it will become your CH3. It is your known as one of the alkyl group, that is the methyl. Like this, the second one it will come, that one is the C2H6. It is the methane. Methane will become your methyl whenever hydrogen is replaced by another functional group. I will tell how it will be replaced, but methyl means CH3. Like this, C2H6, it is the ethane. Ethane also one hydrogen atom is replaced. That time it will become C2H5. That time it will call as the ethyl. Like this, your propane formula is C3H8. It is also whenever it is replaced, it will become C3H7. It is known as the propyl. So it will continue like this, and here also you can see that is the CH2, difference is the CH2, and it is known as the alkyl group, like your alkane, alkene, alkyne. This is also in a homologous series. It is differ by CH2, and formula is CH3, C2H5, C3H7, and methyl, ethyl, propyl, like this. So children, this is all about today's topic. Hope you understand and practice it well, and remember all the prefix suffix again I am telling. And next part I will discuss about the other functional groups, their common names, their ICSE name, and very important part of the organic chemistry, that ICSE rules for naming the organic compounds. And for today, this is whole about your topic. And before going, as I am requesting always, please subscribe, share, like and comment whatever it is the positive thing or what you want more, that you comment in my comment box. And for today, thank you all.